Hello guys, I welcome you to another interesting tutorial in our logo design process in Adobe Illustrator. In this segment of our logo design process, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a professional logo in Adobe Illustrator. Right? So, the first thing I'm going to do in this tutorial is that I'll go to my tools bar. I will right click my rectangle. Then I will select Ellipse or circle. Next, I will go to my menu bar here. I will remove the fill of the circle. Then I will make sure I maintain black color for my stroke. Okay. Then I'll come to Illustrator work area. I will draw a perfect circle. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I will draw a circle. Then I can increase the size by press Shift key, an alternative key on my keyboard. Then I drag to increase the circle size. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is to make a duplicate of this circle. Then I'll go to my menu bar here. I'll click on Edit, Copy, then Edit again, Paste in place. So the duplicate one now, I will press Shift key on my keyboard, alternative key on my keyboard, then I will drag to resize in. Okay. Then I will select everything now. And I'll go to my menu bar. From the Home tab here, I will look for Object. Then I'll click on Group. Next, I will make a duplicate of this circle now. I will go to menu bar here. I will click on Edit, Copy, Edit again, Paste in place. So this duplicate one here, I will drag it the other side here. All right. So I need to make sure that everything aligns together. So I will press Shift key and select the second shape here. Then I will open up my alignment panel from the menu bar here. Then I make sure that it's aligned. Control Z. So my alignment panel, I make sure that I choose vertical alignment. Good. Next, I'll go back to my shape again. Then I will go to menu bar here. I'll go to Edit. I'll click on Copy, Edit again, then Paste in place. So the duplicate one here also, I will drag it down below and make sure it's snapped to the center. Now I will select this first shape, the first circle. I will select the second circle. Then I'll go back to my menu bar. I will click on Object, then I will choose Group. Now I will click on the third circle here, the down below third circle here. Then I'll press Shift key and click on the top circle. Then I will go to my menu bar here. I will open up my alignment panel. Then I'll make sure that everything is aligned to vertical center. Sorry, to Z, to Z. So alignment panel. So I need to make sure that everything is aligned to horizontal center now. Right? So now, what I'm going to do next is that I need to bring out my actual logo shape from this concept here. So how do I do that? So I need to go back to my tools bar here. But before I do that, I will make a duplicate of this shape in case I mess up with the concept. So to make a duplicate, you press alternative key and drag. So I will duplicate my concept here. So sorry. I don't know what is wrong with this recording. Okay, so I will go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in place. So I just need to make a duplicate of the shape so that if there is any mistake, I can easily fall back on something. All right. So now with my concept here, I'm going to make a cutout of my exactly logo style. So I will have to select this now. This is the one I'm going to use. So having select everything, now we go to our tools bar now and look for our shape builder tools. So now having select our shape builder tools, this is when we can start to match the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we cut it, we connect it like this: 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another logo shape. Then I'll make another one from this point: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I need to remove all this outside circle. So what I'm going to do is to press alternative key on my keyboard and drag to the top like this to delete this place. Okay, let me go to Object, So I need to ungroup them. So I will select everything again. So this is okay. So we can select this and delete on our keyboard. Select this now and delete. Select this, delete. Okay, so I need to know to bring out my exactly shape here. So I will select this one here. Let me change the color from this point here. I will choose this. Okay, so I will select the other shape here. So I'll fill this with orange. Okay, so I'll select this shape down here. And I'll fill this with this type of blue here. Okay, so I can press shift key now and select the orange shape. Then I will select the top blue shape. Then I can drag it. I can drag it for one side. Okay, now I can go back to my menu bar. Then I will remove the stroke now. Then I will go to objects. I'll click on group. So I can select all these and I press delete key on my keyboard. So now I'll go back to my logo shape and centralize it and make it to the center. All right, so this is how you make a creative professional logo using Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's take a look at another logo design process example in Adobe Illustrator.